Reload.
Hallo, ich heiße Laura.
Engine activation.
Sehr erfreut. Hallo, ich heiße Laura. Schön, dich kennenzulernen.
B. Der Ball. M. Die Meerjungfrau. V. Die Vögel.
Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. Today we're going to show you a beautiful 1989 BMW 325 convertible. It's a one-owner car. We have all documentation, window sticker, the whole 9 yards. If you want to find out full details on this ride, click on the link below. It's going to give you options for financing, transport. This is going to be headed to Bring a Trailer, so you'll be able to bid to win. We'll have all the information in the description, so click on that link. Let's do it. So the paint condition on this ride, I'd rate an 8.5 out of 10. It shows extremely well, tons of shine. Does have a ding on the Carfax, but we do have the photos of when the accident happened. It was a fender bender, and we will include the photos so you can see that. So don't let that deter you from this beautiful ride. Tires are pretty much brand new. They were purchased about 2 years ago, and they have about 95% tread left. The top is extremely nice. The only imperfections I could find on this whole entire ride, small door ding right here. And then the rear top, they do have a silicone bead that you can see that they ran on the vinyl right here. And the BMW crest in the rear, the white is starting to chip. That's it. Other than that, this thing is perfect. The interior is unreal. So when we go for the test drive, you're gonna be able to see all those interior features. And don't forget, we actually have a window sticker for it. Driver's side is extremely clean. You can look at it from any angle and the reflection is perfect. Wheels and tires are in great shape. Those are the original style wheels. And my background in these cars is I had an 89 that we turned into a race car. And it's just such a great platform. That 2.5 liter, really, it has tons of power. It's nice to cruise in. And this one has super cold air. And look at how nice that is. The carpet's perfect, the door cards are perfect. That steering wheel has no real imperfections on it, and everything works. It is a manual top, so you do have to manually pull it back. It's not a big deal. It takes you like, I would say, a minute. Leather is in great shape. And when you start it, it just sounds perfect. Underneath shots will be in the link below, so click on the link and you'll be able to see underside shots. Let me go get the keys. I have 2 sets of keys that are gonna go with it. So you've got this nice little pocket protector so you don't put a hole in your pocket. Starts up easily every time. The hood. So here's a 2.5 liter. Look how clean the engine bay is. Nicely detailed. You do have a kill switch that was added, and the motor is extremely healthy. Look at how nice all the paint work is throughout here. You can see that the pads have been replaced. Windshield wipers are in great shape. I actually purchased a 68 Bonneville from the same family about a year ago, and it was one of the most maintained cars, just like this one, I've ever seen. Front end is extremely clean. There's no imperfections. Bumper is in beautiful shape. You do have fog lights as well. Sounds extremely nice. Some additional parts will be included, but I want you to look at all the details and how clean all of this is. All the rubbers are perfect. The rear bumper is perfect. Here's the gas fill, and you can see that it's very clean. Still have all the stickers here. You can see the felt for the top is very nice. All the bright work is extremely nice. The passenger seat looks like no one's ever sat in it. Dash is perfect. Let's jump in it and take it for a ride. We'll take the top down when we get to our location. We're inside right now. The steering wheel's in excellent condition. Horn works. What I love about BMWs of this era, look at this. So you click this and it's going to tell you if your brake lights are operating, your rear lights, license plate lights, low beams, if your washer fluid's full, coolant's good, and your engine oil. And if there's a check engine light, it will actually illuminate, and you'll also have a flashing light here. It has 88,000 original miles. Look at all the controls, like the light features, your fog lights. You've got your radio right here. That works great. And then you have you can see your average mile per hour, the whole 9 yards when you're driving. Windows all operate and they're all power. And then the rears go down. I'll put them both up. You do have heated seats as well. So you have a button here that you can click. And then also an added cup holder feature because they don't really have cup holders in these cars. So you flip this up and you're good to go. E-brake works as it should. Cigarette lighter has never been used. And we do have documentation for this ride, so we have all the service records, the whole 9 yards. Glove box is extremely clean, and you still have the original owner's manual in there, along with a bag of pens, and I will include those with the sale. Rear seats are perfect. A little bit of dirt on this one, wipe that off. I see a little hem issue with the seat right here. That's really it. To put the top down, all you do is release these, and then you manually pull it back, and there's a release for this back deck lid. You fold it up, which we'll show you shortly. We're going to take it for a test drive right now. The air conditioning's blowing cold. It's 98 degrees here in Florida. Steering's extremely nice, and the color of this car just really pops. The person we bought this from actually came by today and brought me and my wife a baby gift, which is really nice. So that's the type of place we are. We're family oriented. You know, we try to keep the same customers, and that makes a big difference when you're buying from someone that cares about cars and has a passion versus someone that just wants to make some money. Turn signal works as it should, and I noticed the check light flashing here, so I looked up at my basic system here and I realized that my license plate light is burnt out. So when I turn the lights on, it caught that in the system and now it notified me. So we'll get that taken care of before it leaves. We're in the drive position. We're gonna jump on the highway here. Very smooth, going over bumps right now. It's a comfortable ride, and it's actually really quiet for having a convertible top. You can see the original BMW top sticker here. Steering's nice and responsive, it's not loose. There's no funny feeling in the suspension when you're hitting bumps right now. Steering is extremely tight. Hazards work as they should. And the radio works as it should as well. If you guys have any questions about this ride or any of our inventory, please click on the link below, or you can give us a call at 954-363-2261. We're getting off on Griffin Road right now. As you can see, we're right next to the Fort Lauderdale Airport, so if you do want to fly in and drive this home, fly on in, I'll pick you up in this car and you can take it home. We'll give you a template. Let's get it up to speed. It says 65 miles an hour right now. Extremely smooth. We're getting 27 miles per gallon apparently. So if you give it, watch, if you give it gas, it'll actually move the gauge. The one benefit of this 325 is it's one owner. It's had extensive service work. Obviously, you're going to see the Carfax issue, but we do have the photos when the accident happened, and they repaired it properly. So the repair work was not cheap. They ended up doing a complete repaint for the car, and that's why it looks so nice today. Nice and smooth. Let's go get some outside shots, let you decide if this is the right 325 for you. I hope you guys enjoyed that test drive. If you have any questions, give us a call. Have a great day.